Hello again everyone. So I'm back with my fourth lesson on advanced Excel. So Excel where every cell holds a new story and every function unfolds a new chapter. So today we are going to unfold our next chapter, which is on sum function and its different variations. So let's just begin with that. So yeah, let's just first understand what this sum does. So it is used to calculate the sum of values in the provided range. Okay, so below you can see the syntax. We need to just type in sum and then select the ranges up to bottom. Yeah, so here you can see with this example we are going to use it here to calculate the total number. So here equal to sum, by double clicking on sum, now you have to select the range like this and then break it close. You can get now the total marks obtained by the students. So this is how you can use. So on the right you can see this is what formula I have used to calculate the total numbers. Yeah, so this is for sum, and next we have another variation of sum which is on sum if. So sum if, it is used to calculate the values in a range based on a true or false condition. So here towards sum of the values, so it will do the total of the values of the provided range, but with some condition which based on the condition which is true and false. So below you can see the syntax. Here we need to select the range and then criteria on what basis it should show a sum, right? So we'll understand more in detail by using this example. Here you can see this is the class section. So 1, 2 and 3, there are 3 sections, and these are the students and these are the marks of the students, and then we have grade, okay, A, B and C. Okay, so this is the syntax which I'm going to use to use this sum function. So here what we want is, we want to have a sum for A grade here, and then B and C. Let's just try and understand how we need sum if. So let's just put, so now it's asking for the range. Okay, so I'm looking for the sum of the range. So this is what the range is, and my criteria is A. My criteria is A. Okay, so here the criteria is at G 26. Okay, okay, let me just do it again. So sum if we have range. So this is how the range is defined, grades are defined, and then I want to look for that my criteria is, I'm looking for A grade, so that is at G 26 comma. Now is asking for the sum of the range. So on what basis and what it should reflect. So I'm looking for marks. So this is the total sum for the people who are at grade A. Okay, these are the total number of marks for A grade people. Okay, similar way I can try it again. Sum if. Okay, then B is asking again for the range. Range is this, and then comma. We can have now G 27, which is our criteria. Then it's asking the sum of criteria and the sum of these marks. So these are the people who have B grade, and this is the total sum for those students, right? Similar way I can drag it down for C grade. This is what it is. Okay, this is how you can use this if formula by using one condition, and then you can have your total number. Okay, so there is another one which you can use it which is used for multiple conditions. So here in sum, if we had only one condition based on which it is giving a total value, but with sum if s you can use multiple condition within the same formula. Okay, so sum if we will have some range, criteria, and the range, and the criteria one. So this is how it goes by with the second and third condition. So let's understand by using it. So we have sum if s, double click, and it's asking for the sum range. So here in the previous one we added that sum range at the last. Okay, so here it is asking for the sum range. We are going to use the same formula. So sum range is my marks, sum range, so I've selected that sum range, comma, now it's asking for the criteria range. Okay, on what criteria basis it should reflect. So I want this to be reflected by grades. Okay, my first criteria, and now I will select grade, comma, this is my first condition on which basis is going to give me a total, which we did for our sum if. Now here I can add second condition. So here if you have observed, so I have added sections. So now I want for each section what is the sum of total, sum of A grade, right? So in each section what is that marks at A grade. Okay, so my second criteria would be based on sections. So for that I need to provide that range. It's asking for the range. This is my range, so it will filter through this range, and I want only for sections. So this is what I will get. I'm getting. Okay, so it's giving for grade A in each sections. So first section we have 468 for A grade. Okay, similar way I can try it again. Sum if s, so double click on this one, then again it's asking for the range. My range is the sum, comma, my criteria range is this, and comma, I'm looking for first grade, and then I am looking for my sections. So based on, and now I'm looking for my second section. So this is what I will get. Yeah, so similar way you can use it for third grade as well by using the same formula. Sum if s, and it's asking for the range again, comma, grade, and then we have our grade, comma, and then section, comma, and now we want for third section. Okay, so this is what I am getting in total. So if you want to cross check it, like grade A, where we have only one, which is this one, so it's showing this value. So yeah, so this is the syntax which I've used here in case. Okay, so I hope you have understood both of these three functions. So these are very important, and you can use it while doing any of your calculation, whether it's a financial data or your anything, big warehouse data. So this can be used very easily and effectively. So I hope you like this video. In case you have more questions, then please put under the comment box, so I will try to answer all your questions. So please like and subscribe, and also don't forget to share with others. Yeah, and be connected with my channel, which is B-Futuristic. Thank you.